Hello friends, welcome to Tech History. In this video, I'm talking about the Rabbit R1. The Rabbit R1 is a palm-sized device that acts as a personal AI assistant. The R1 is a fully standalone device, primarily driven by natural languages and is simple to use. It runs on Rabbit OS, powered by a large action modern AI technology called LAM. This LAM allows the R1 to interact with your favorite apps and services directly bypassing traditional interfaces and API. It comes with a touchscreen, a push-to-talk button, microphone, speaker, and a 360-degree rotational camera called the Rabbit Eye. R1 is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled, and it has the same card slot that supports global 4G LTE network. Just like ChatGPT, you can ask Rabbit for anything, but the difference is the speed. With Rabbit OS, you can get the result 10 times faster than most of the voice AI projects. Rabbit answers your question within 500 milliseconds. With the push-to-talk button, you do not say anything to wake it up. Just press and hold the button like walkie-talkie. You can speak or type with R1. If you shake R1, the keyboard will pop up. You can play music by asking R1 to play your choice of music. All you need to do, press the button down and speak, and R1 will respond. You can book a ride by just asking R1 to book for you. You can also use R1 to order food. You can use R1 to plan your trip. It's also interesting to know that R1 comes with inbuilt language translator. R1 has an eye. It can analyze surroundings and take action in real time. To activate the eye, just double tap the button. R1 has a learning capabilities. The large action modern technology, LAM, allows R1 to learn from your interactions and personalize its response over time. With R1, no subscription, and it costs $199.
Now, let's see how the large action model works. I can ask Rabbit for anything, just like if I'm using ChatGPT. Get me a ride from my office to home now.
Of course, I will book an Uber ride for you from your office to your home. Please confirm the ride.
I have 6 people with 3 luggages. Find me an Uber that can fit all of us.
For 6 people and 3 pieces of luggage, I recommend booking an Uber XL, as it provides ample space for all passengers and luggage. Please confirm the ride.
The ride shows up, I just hit confirm. The Uber's on my way. What's the stock price of Coca-Cola?
Searching for the stock price of Coca-Cola. The stock price of Coca-Cola, KO, is $59.76.
Who played the role Oppenheimer in Christopher Nolan's latest movies?
In Christopher Nolan's most recent film, Oppenheimer, the role of the film is a biographical thriller that explores the story of American scientist J. Robert Oppenheimer and his involvement in the development of the atomic bomb.
Now, let's play some music. Play Kraftwerk's Pocket Calculator.
Playing Pocket Calculator by Kraftwerk for you.
Play another song from the album.
Sure, playing Computer Love for you.
That's all the tracks from the same album. Who wrote the lyrics for this song?
Ralph Hutter and Emil Schult wrote the lyrics for the song Computer Love by Kraftwerk.
Which I can also use R1 to order food. Get me a 12-inch pizza from Pizza Hut delivered to here. The most ordered option on the app is fine.
Ordering a 12-inch pizza from Pizza Hut. Since you mentioned that the most ordered option is fine, I will select that for you. I just created an order for a 12-inch pizza. It's going to be hand-tossed with a classic marinara sauce and topped with regular cheese. Please confirm your order.
It's really good. I just confirmed the order here. It's our companion that hosts the large action model with natural language. I can use it for a wide range of tasks. Ask anything, direct actions, complex actions, AI-enhanced video calls, note-taker translator with Rabbit Eye, computer vision, and experimental teach mode.